Your press-on nails keep popping off because you're not prepping them correctly. So let me show you how to do it. I'm under the weather, so I sound a little crazy. But first, I wanted to show y'all what is included within each application package. They will each come with a thank you card with a personalized note on the back. It'll have alcohol pads, a wooden cuticle pusher, a nail file, sticky tabs for temporary use, and then KDS nail glue as well. And I made it after this video, but they will also come with instruction and aftercare cards. First, we're going to take our wooden cuticle pusher and push back our cuticles. Rinse and repeat. Do this step on every single nail. For this video, I'm only going to do one hand just to save some time. Okay, now that we have that done, we're going to take our file and we're going to lightly file the top of our nail plate. And we're going to continue that on all 10 nails. Next, we're going to take that same nail file and we're just going to file the free edge of our nail to our desired length. I recommend going pretty short just because your nails are going to grow out while they are under the press-ons. So this is how they should look after all of that is finished. Next, we're going to take our alcohol pad to go over our nail plate to remove any oils, debris, dirt that was left over. By doing so, the press-on will adhere to your nail bed a lot better. So this is how it should look once it dries, and then you're ready to put on your press-on. And this is how all of them look. Now for the fun part. This is a custom set that I made. You can get yours at indolabnails.com, or you can DM me for this particular set. So I go pinky to thumb, but it is completely up to you. right here, I'm going to put 1 drop of nail glue on the press-on nail. And I forgot to mention, before you put on the alcohol pads, if you have very oily nail beds, I recommend doing 1 nail at a time. Next, I'm going to put 1 drop of nail glue onto my nail plate. Now, this is important. Well, it's all important, but this is important. Take your nail, put it at a 45-degree angle, just tip it up just a little bit. I slide the glue down a little bit, but anyway, 45-degree angle, press down, hold for 30 seconds. This is how it should look. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to redo it over and over again for my visual learners. And if you guys need any help, please DM me or comment. I can definitely lead you in the right direction. I lied. I popped back in. So after your nails are on, put on cuticle oil. Please, 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 please put on cuticle oil. This is not included in your packaging, but I will have cuticle oil coming soon. For now, you can order this on Amazon. You can get it from Walmart. You can get cuticle oil probably pretty much from anywhere. But that's it. Bye. And as always, thank you for watching. Thank you.